Hey guys, here with another Android video. In this video I want to share with you guys a very awesome browser that just came out a couple weeks ago, I think less than a month, and it's called Next Browser. Also, this browser is created by the Go Launcher developer team, which they do an awesome job with their launchers and apps created for the launchers. Let's go ahead here. When you open it up, like this is the first thing you're gonna see. This is the first thing you're gonna see with all these icons. All these icons right here are your favorite sites you just created. You just add them right here, like you see right here. I could go ahead and add, for example, I could add Facebook. And like you see right there, it creates a very cool icon. I could go ahead and keep adding more if I want, like for example eBay. And like you see, it creates a very cool icon. So this is very good to have like your favorite sites right here, which is awesome. Also here, this over here, like you see, it has a search bar. When you tap on there, it will start listening and start searching. Like you see right there, start listening and start searching. Also, which is very cool, it lets you switch between search engines very easily just by tapping this Google icon right there. When you tap on that, you could go ahead and switch to Wikipedia, Yahoo Search, and Bing, which is very awesome. All you gotta do is tap on one of them, and that's it. Now you are using the Yahoo Search, or you could go back and go to back to Google. That's very cool that it has that options right there, very easily to change. Also, like you see over here, it has like three little tabs or three little icons. You can swipe this side, and right here you're gonna see your top sites and whatever recent tabs you have closed. If you swipe over here, you're gonna see this awesome, very cool news aggregator, which is embedded in the browser. Look at that, in the browser. All you gotta do is swipe a little bit to over here, and you're gonna have your today's news. And from here, you can actually open any news that you see. For example, I could go ahead and tap on that one, and I could go ahead over here and share it on Google Plus, on Facebook, on any social network. Also, you have the options over here to control the size of the text and everything. Like here, like you see right here, everything has very cool features for a news aggregator integrated into a browser, which I never seen before, and they do an excellent job doing it. It looks very nice, very cool. Also, this browser also has JavaScript, runs JavaScript, so it can run also Flash websites as well, which a lot of browsers right now are not doing, especially like Chrome. Here, when you swipe all the way from the edge, you could go straight to the tabs, and you could create another tab, or you could tap over here and it takes you to the same space, same spot. You see right here, or you could swipe from the corner right there. Looks very cool. Over here you can also choose different bookmarks. Right here you got your bookmarks right here, accessible, very nice. If you tap over here, also you can also click right there, and over here you could go ahead, once the first time you tap on that, it's gonna tell you, hey, you want to import your bookmarks from Google, your Google account. Yes, you choose that, and it will automatically put all your bookmarks from Chrome over here. Like you see right here, these are all the bookmarks from Chrome. Very, very cool. You can do it. Here you can see the history. You can go back. Let's go back over here. You could use the buttons over here, the physical buttons as well. Over here, if we tap here, we go to preference. In preference, you can also choose different agent website. You could use use it as mobile, use it as desktop, or use it as an iPhone browser. Search engines, of course, you can also change your search engines from here. But I think it's better changing it from the little circle like I showed you guys before. Here in displays, you could auto fit pages, load images. You could set it to load images only on Wi-Fi. That way the pages will load up a lot faster if you're on mobile. And enable JavaScript, auto rotation. And everything else is, self-explanatory, nothing special. You can set it up as your default browser. So let me go ahead and show you guys how the Flash works here, so you guys can see the difference between the Chrome and this browser. Like you see right here, this is a page called We Choose the Moon. This is totally Flash. So, but like you see, Flash today's day is being made just for desktops. Let's go ahead here, because Flash is not really meant for being mobile. Like you see there.
5 minutes, 52 seconds and counting. We're on time at the present time.
That's very cool.
Plane liftoff of 32 minutes past the hour.
Tap right there.
Conductor Skip Chauvin now has completed the status check of his personnel in the control room. All reports they are go for the.
You see, this is totally Flash, so obviously this is not going to be running on any browser like Chrome.
10, 9.
I just want to show you guys how it looks.
Sequence starts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 1.
So that's very cool. Like you see, this browser is Flash. So if we go, let's go ahead and quit that. Let's go and quit it. And go quit. If we go to over here and I try to run the same site, let me see if it choose okay, right here. If I go to the browser, it tells me right away you can't use it because you need to get Flash. And of course, you can't download Flash on mobile browsers from this. By clicking there, you can't just install Flash on your phone. Like you saw right there, it worked perfectly with the next browser, perfectly great. So that's very convenient for some websites that are not gonna work on mobile. Over here, let's go ahead and do a peacekeeper test, a benchmark test, and compare both benchmarks. Just keep in mind my power saving is off, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to do it first here. I'm going to wait and jump right to the end so you guys can see the score, so I can go ahead and do it on the Chrome and see both scores so you guys can see the difference. Okay, so here it is. Look at the score, 736. That's a very, very good score. Not bad at all. So now let's go ahead back over here. Now let's go ahead and try with Google Chrome here. This is the Google Chrome. And let's go ahead and set it up. Okay, so here it is. And this is the Chrome score, 591. Like you can see, the next browser is way, way faster than the Chrome. And it also runs JavaScript and Flash websites, which is not bad at all. Look at that score, 736 and 591. I'm telling you guys, this browser feels very, very good, very fast. It also feels, for being the first version of this browser, because if we check over here, let's go back over here and let's go back in about, like you see, this is version 1.0. This is 1.0, and for being 1.0, I gotta say it's running very lag free. Is running almost, you can't see any problems whatsoever. But of course, there's gonna be a lot more updates coming to this browser. Like one of the updates that I hope they actually come up with is full screen browser. Please bring that, because Chrome just got it like a couple weeks ago, the full browser. So I hope next browser gets that too. If they get that, I think this is a perfect browser that can easily replace Chrome. And it also has this feature right here, which is very cool for people who like to, like me, I like news aggregators, and having it right here integrated seamlessly with the browser, that's awesome. For me, that's an awesome feature. And of course, if you don't like using Google search, which I doubt it, of course you got the options for Yahoo, Bing, Wikipedia, and also you got Baidu. You could choose it from the settings. And this is a very cool feature as well. You can put here your favorite browsers, your favorite websites, like over here, The Verge. Boom. It creates a very nice icon there, which is awesome as well. And of course, I think that's the limit, 8. I don't see no other plus signs, but that's good. And other than that, I'm telling you guys, this is a very good option, and go ahead and try it. It's totally free. There's no price for entry. So that's it, guys. This was a look at Next browser made by the Go launcher developer team. Till next time, guys.